AAVE finally broke out of this massive bearish trend, and now we have the bullish confirmation that we can see even higher prices in the near future. But what are the next bullish price targets, and in which area I can buy some more AAVE? In this video I will talk about AAVE and share my price prediction for the future. Before we go into the content, be sure to join my free Telegram group. I share there daily updates about Bitcoin and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. So as you can see, we were longer in this bearish range right here in this bear market, and we then finally broke out of this zone. And now we have the bullish confirmation because we made higher highs all the way and we made a higher low right here. So now the chance is high that we can continue the bullish trend and see even higher prices, higher lows and higher highs. And if we have a look at the 4-hourly chart, we are looking also very bullish. We have higher highs, higher lows. We came back into this last demand zone where we saw this real bullish push into this new highs. And after we made this high right here and came back into this demand zone, I opened a long position with my signal group. We put the stop loss below this last low and the price targets over here. And as you can see, we are right now in a great profit with this trade. And if you want to copy my trades, you can click on the link in the description to my signal group. And I think AAVE is a great project with a very high potential for this bull run. We also have a market cap of $2.4 billion. So we have much money in this coin, but we also have a big potential for the future. And we already have an over 90% circulating supply, which is a really good sign. And of course, the next bullish price target is this high right here at $180. And if we can continue the bullish trend, then of course we have this part right here at $213. And if we can also break this one, then we have this weekly high right here at $261. And this is my largest take profit for the future. But of course, if we are seeing bullish price action right here or bearish price action, then I will also put my stop loss to break even or take some profits. And on the way to the top, we have this high right here at $458. And if we can also break this one, then of course we have the last all-time high right here at $667. And I think AAVE has the potential to reach even higher prices than the last all-time high. And for this, we are using the Fibonacci tool for this whole swing. And then we are having this next potential high right here at $1,050. And I think this price target is very realistic for this bull run, because if we're reaching this kind of potential, we would have a market cap of around $15 to $20 billion. And I think this is very realistic for the best coins in this bull run. From the price right now to this price target, we will have potential over 550%, which is really amazing. And of course, I would also be happy if we're reaching the last all-time high, because I bought many coins right here in this bear market and I would sell a large position right here. But if we're reaching this potential, then I would sell most of my AAVE coins for this bull run. And right now the chances increases that we are seeing the bullish in power, because we had this last demand zone right here, broke to the upside, retested right now. And if we can now see the bullish upcoming move over this last highs, then I think the chance is high that we can continue the bullish momentum for the whole crypto market. And if you're on the sideline right now and want to buy more AAVE, I would wait for this last high right here in this order block. So if you're retesting the $153 and seeing bullish price action, then we had a potential to get into more positions right here. If we're breaking this one, then I would wait if we come back into this demand zone, or if we would sweep it, see bullish price action, I think this would be a great chance to get into spot buys or long-term trades. Or if we are pushing to the upside, don't see a pullback, then I would wait if we are retesting this last high to the upside, then we have another bullish confirmation and a great chance to get into more AAVE right here. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.